subs back, and thank you for the support you gave me in the previous videos. And this is a new video. After a long time, I'm gonna do this video's name is part 1 of elements, compounds, and mixtures. In this video, I'm gonna just give you a small introduction about elements, compounds, and mixtures. On these three topics, I'm gonna give you a small introduction. Let's go for the video. Many substances around us are made up of these three things. For example, gold is an element. It's pure. Pure gold is made of element. Water is a compound. Carbon dioxide and oxygen, which we breathe in, is a mixture. So in day-to-day life, we deal with these three things daily. First, we'll go for elements. Elements are substances that cannot be split into anything simpler by chemical means. That means it cannot be divided into anything else, or it cannot be divided into anything simpler than on the original one. For example, magnesium, oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, those. An element contains only one type of atom. Means it contains only one type. If it's magnesium, it's pure magnesium, only that. Or if only a magnesium, it's an element because it's pure. It's for such like oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, and those things. Everything is like that. There are 118 elements, and these are shown in the periodic table. There, if you just refer the periodic table and if you just count the number of elements in it, there are 118 elements. Most of the elements occur naturally, but some other elements are there which are made artificially, chemically. Elements such as hydrogen, helium, sulfur are made naturally. That means it's not man-made. But elements like Einsteinium are made artificially, which are man-made. Okay, now let's go for compounds. Compounds are formed when two or more elements are chemically combined. That means if we take hydrogen and oxygen, two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom, when these two are combined chemically, the word chemically, it forms water. That's water is a compound. Such like silicon dioxide, sodium chloride, and so on. The elements always combine in fixed proportions. For example, hydrogen and fluorine always combine to form hydrogen fluoride with the formula HF, whereas magnesium and fluorine always combine to form magnesium fluoride with the formula MgF2. So these formulas cannot be changed. These are the relevant formulas for those particular compounds. The elements must combine in these ratios. That means it must be combined in the correct amounts. Examples of other compounds are carbon dioxide and methane. Those are some examples. As you can see in the brackets, CO2 here, one carbon, two oxygen atoms combine chemically and form carbon dioxide. Such like in here also, CH4, one carbon atom and four hydrogen atoms combine chemically to make methane. Diagrams of compounds show more than one type of atom bonded together. As you can see here, water, silicon dioxide, sodium chloride. These are some compounds. Now let's go for the last topic that we are going to talk. Mixtures. In a mixture, the various substances are mixed together and no chemical reaction occurs. So in that case, it's not combined chemically. It's just mixed. If you take sand and water, it's just mixed. It's not chemically combined. Mixtures can be made from elements or compounds. If it's elements, only elements means nitrogen and oxygen, and the word "and" is more useful in this case. It can be made from mixtures can be made from elements and compounds. If you take nitrogen and oxygen, it's combined. not combined chemically, but just like if you take sand and water, it's normally like that. Compounds, carbon dioxide and water, like that. Those are some examples. Maybe okay, now maybe you got at least something for your knowledge from this video, I guess. If you just got something, just click the like button there and just hit the subscribe button and the small bell which is near it. Share it to your friends and get this knowledge, the at least the small knowledge you got. And thank you for watching this video.